How to transfer an IRA to gold? Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can use your IRA to buy gold. Yeah, you can do it. Now, the interesting thing about gold, precious metals, is there is a carve-out under Internal Revenue Code Section 408M that allows an IRA to invest in pure bullion gold, silver, palladium, or bullion coins, American Eagle state-minted coins, and thus are not treated as a collectible like art. The one requirement is it must be held in the physical possession of a United States depository trust company. So when you're buying gold, first thing to remember, you're going to need to do a self-directed IRA because you're not going to be able to buy gold directly at Schwab or Fidelity. So it's super simple. You'll open a self-directed IRA, hopefully at IRA Financial. You'll do a rollover or transfer your IRA or 401k funds tax-free to the IRA. We'll then send those funds to the gold dealer of your choice. Just make sure, please, that you pick someone reputable because there is a lot of unregulated folks in there that don't always give you the best price. So just be super careful. And then once the metals are purchased, they will ship them to a depository of your choice. You cannot hold them at home. You cannot hold them under your bed. It must be held in the physical possession of a U.S. trustee, which is defined as a U.S. depository. And then the gold is held safe and secure. When you sell it, the gains, hopefully, would go back to your IRA without tax. So you need a self-directed IRA. You can buy gold so long as it's pure bullion or coin. But remember, you cannot hold it personally. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have questions, love to hear from you. You can give us a call. You can leave a comment. Hit us up on social media. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you haven't, you're missing out on some great content. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see everyone again on my next video.